Really appreciate all the hard work you've put into this. We'd like to progress to the next step of the evaluation. We're going to evaluate you and one other vendor with one of our teams before making our final decision.
Awesome. Would love to go over your decision-making process from this point on.
Sure, we can do that.
I've actually already put together a shared workspace with all of our previous calls, testimonials, overview deck, and was hoping we can take a quick look together at that to make sure I don't miss anything.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, let's do that.
Hey, just to confirm, is there anybody else involved in this decision?
Nope, just me.
Perfect.
Noticed Leslie joined the room and was curious as to how she fits into the evaluation.
Oh yeah, she's my boss. She's going to be the one that's ultimately signing the check.
Got it, that makes sense. Why don't we schedule a quick call with all three of us together and make sure we cover all of our bases to make sure that we have a successful POC.
Great call. Let's do that. Daniel, we really appreciate all the hard work you've done on this, and you're a really great salesperson, but we've decided to go in a different direction.
Byron, we really appreciate your partnership. You've made this buyer journey so easy, really great experience, and we look forward to continuing this conversation because we've selected you. Here you go.
Thanks, excited to get this started.
Yes.